amazing and patient. And I made 2 pendants and 1 piggy.
I made a heart pendant.
And oh well, one of the pendants that I made, we did it together. So it was so fun and a great experience. And we also made a glass coaster, which was really, really fun.
Many elements okay, were components to make different colors, okay? But basically, when I melt the glass, I have to know the timing and how fast the glass cools down, many things, okay? But first thing to do for you is this. Choose the colors, the main color, okay? In this case this, and start please straight out, okay? How many degrees here? What do you think? 5 minutes? Almost. What? 180 Celsius?
Oh, Fahrenheit. 200.
Okay, 1000.
Dang. Celsius?
Yeah, stainless steel, this is steel, right?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Okay, and melt the steel in a few seconds. Okay, like that, just the two. Okay, over there, this one. For more or less 10 seconds. Okay, so the glass stick or the melt, and then pour some. Okay, any color when I start like that. Okay, this is cool. So like that. You see that? Right? And then melt the clear. Okay. So this one here below the flame, I close the flame, and then I put it clear. What are you gonna fix, right?
So far, very stressful. Can I have the shape molder thingy? I'm sorry, this one?
Basically, I need a piece of glass to make the nose. Now up, and he just here. Now work just on the nose, okay? 1, 2. Take this. Now there, squeeze the nose.
Be careful with your hand.
Oh, oopsies.
Be careful with your hand.
Now,
That's Glassblowing. Yeah, that's the coat.
it's a heart pendant or just a heart?
Heart pendant? Do you want a pendant?
What pendant?
Heart pendant, yeah. This, like a necklace.
And the other one. Are you ready? Now, take off this accessory. Heart shape? Huh?
Wow, that's so pretty.
Wait here a second.
Good job, Ollie.
And now just there, okay?
Where's paradise?
Yeah, keep turning, rotating your hands. Perfect. The other way. Are you ready? Back.
Oh, that's so good though.
Now, take off the sensor glass. Take this one, please, the cutter. And with this, you press on top, okay? Wait a second. Right. Okay, take it up.
Yeah,
Huh?
cool. Let's see.
She just wanted round.
Oh, yeah, I just want it to be round like this.
Okay.
But she needs to figure out how to have it loop.
This size?
Yeah, tiny.
Just like, oop. Oh, I'm gonna make a loop. Oh, I don't want to make a heart. I just want to make a ball.
She's making the ball.
It's like Usher ball. I think it's one side of it.
She just wants.
No. Yeah,
But it's okay if it's already today. It's okay. Or a teardrop is fine too. A teardrop is fine too.
can I have another piece of glass to put the loop on? So, what do I do?
Let me know when you're ready.
Okay, features.
Because it's not done pressing it as much, it's gonna be.
Okay.
You don't like
That's
to
perfect. That's good.